guys, 828 Fine Adventure here. I got a new bumper for the Tundra. It is a rough country. I picked the rough country because it is a one-piece steel. It is powder coated really nice. And you know, I want to show you how I put it on. So let's go check it out. Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that I did a video on removing the factory bumper. So go ahead and check that out before you install a new one. Place here for your tag, place here for your 7-pin and 4-pin switch, backup sensors, LED lights, place to put my big foot, place on top here for traction. This is what I liked about this one. Gave me these nice product here. This is what the inside looks like. Just wanted to show y'all how it's made. Very nice, very good quality. All right, this is the parts box that comes inside. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is what you get in your parts box. Installation instructions, wiring harness for the LED lights, zip ties and plugs for your sensors if you're not going to use the backup sensors or if you don't have them, bag of bolts, we got some brackets here, see those. Not sure how they go. You can see those. And we have the actual bumper brackets, which are heavy duty. These are thick. Look at that. Almost as thick as my finger. They're at least 3/8, whereas these are more of an 1/8 of an inch. Alright, so we have 2 of those. What else is in here? Oh, these are the tag lights. These light up the license tag. Let's see what's in this. I imagine this is the LED. There we go. There's the directions. I don't know if you can see that. This is for the Toyota Tundra 2014 to 2020. Mine's a 21. It's exactly the same on the back. Yeah, installation instructions. Shouldn't be a problem. Let's see what's in this box right here. Let's see here. So we have the lighting instructions, rough country, a couple of gaskets for the flush mount LED lights. Let's see what else we got. Let's open up. Oh, there they are. Look at that. And the bolts are black. Fantastic. That's great. Look at this. Another harness. And this is a really good harness. Check those lights out again. This was a really nice one. It comes with this, well, heck, I'll just show you. I might wire these up differently, but you can see the quality there. It's got that webbing type sheath on it. That's really nice. I like those much better than that shiny plastic they put on these. Okay, I have 2 harnesses. And here's hardware and bolts. Let's check these out. Oh yeah, these are nice. Yep. Very nice. Perfecto mundo. And I'm gonna put a red 3M piece over this because yeah, look at that. Because I'm not going to use these as reverse lights. I'm going to use them as just warning lights, backup lights, something like that. They're going to be run to my Garmin power switch, so I can cut them on in the rain or whatnot, and just to have some lights back there so nobody runs into the back of me or whatever. And you know, I could always cut them on just for visual, but it would be in red, but that'll work. Now I'm just going to put the foam gasket on the back of the light. I don't want to stick it on the bumper in case I have to replace them at some point, because then you'd have all this adhesive stuck on your bumper. So I'm going to stick it on the back of the light instead. That way it's easy cleanup. Now I'm just going to line up the holes and we should be good to go. And there you go. What do you think? Let's bolt those into the bumper. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to bolt these red LEDs up to the bumper. They come with a couple of Allen bolts, Allen wrenches. A little bitty one here. Oh, that must be that goes to the actual pods themselves. And then it has this one, which looks like about a 3mm, maybe a 4. Goes in there. I was looking at these, and they basically just come with nuts. I would recommend some of these little split washers. Hold that tight, just so they, you know, on the back side, after you get, you know, put this on, put one of these on, just to hold them tight, because with all the vibration on the road, they could definitely loosen up. And you know, if you have a light halfway hanging off, that just looks like garbage. So that said, some little washer kit here. You just get a bunch of washers. What do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically, to install the LEDs in the bumper, you just put them through like this. Mount them like that. And note, I have rough country at the top. Okay, once you get everything else out of the way, you got to loosen those 4 bolts to put this bracket on. You're going to do that on both sides. Well, I hope you liked that video of me installing the new bumper. It's a great looking bumper, provides a lot of protection. It still retains my parking sensors. It does not retain the sonar. The bumper installed pretty easy. You know, it looks great. Like I said, nice fit, heavy duty brackets, and I recommend this bumper. It is, you know, it is cheaper than most. Let's just say that. And it's one piece. I did not want the 3-piece type that bolt together because that's just more stuff to fail if you were to get hit. I'm looking for protection for the rear of my truck. So that's what I got. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Watch my other videos on removing the old bumper off the truck and different things. And I will see you next time. I got more coming, so I'll see you then. See ya.